Hello, I'm Dr. Pana. Let's take a deeper dive into the remarkable clinical research connecting cacao flavonols to stem cell mobilization and heart health. High flavanol cocoa increases nitric oxide bioavailability, signaling your bone marrow to release repair cells that maintain your blood vessel lining. Clinical studies show consistent improvements in flow-mediated dilation. Just a 1% improvement can reduce cardiovascular event risk by up to 12%. The Cosmos trial also highlighted cocoa's ability to reduce chronic inflammation, protecting your stem cells from exhaustion as you age. Emerging evidence even suggests cocoa flavonols can influence gene expression, potentially turning on pathways related to cellular regeneration and longevity. For maximum benefit, aim for 700 to 900 milligrams of flavanols daily. Stick to extra dark chocolate and avoid Dutch processed cocoa. While cacao is a powerful functional food, it works best as part of a comprehensive heart-healthy lifestyle. Start your journey today